On Bitcoin, guys, it's been a while and the market has been going sideways. This is a 30-minute chart. Actually, the 1 hour chart is going to show us we are in an ascending channel and we did get liquidity just below 90 momentarily. The second time the price broke out of the channel, we came close to 92,000, another rebound, and now we do have support, the support that you see over here. So this level here is support, okay? Under that level, and the 30% is to go further down below 90,000. Again, the target, well, the targets according to the structure is this is the first target at 105, okay, and eventually up there, let's update it at around 115,000 according to the channels. I like my channels and they work. So basically this is the same idea here. You see how it's playing out, but let's go to the big chart and the Bitcoin Q1 2025 up for a delayed cycle. Guys, we could be up for a delayed cycle, okay? And I'm going to show you the big chart and I'm going to close with this. I want to keep this short. So you can go through the previous ones. We saw how this major level here was breached, tested as support, and then all the way up. And then we had the major resistance, what you see as the yellow line, which is the massive structural resistance that goes through the previous all-time highs, 1, 2, and this is the third time we're there. So we do have increased chances to break higher, okay? But at the same time, we have Donald Trump in the house, tariffs, this and that, things not looking, stable. Things are not stable, and it's because Donald Trump is in power and he's being very active, with the tariffs and everything else. But the expectations are these. Right now, we are under serious resistance as what you see as the yellow level. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour chart. So it's the same analysis I had shown you before. It's the same one, same levels. Okay, we're still on the same chart and it takes time to play out. We have 1, 2, the market owe us a third attempt to try and break that level. Now, I cannot assure you that we will not test the 90,000 again, and I can assure you that we have not checked the 79,717, okay, the breakout level as support. It has not been checked. If it had been checked like this level, I would have been, like 100%. We're going there before we're going here, but we haven't been there. Okay, so the chances are 30% that we go below 90,000, 90,000 or below, and 70% that we will test that same level for one third time. That's 109,928. Now, what happens at that level? Well, at that level, if we see a breakout, we can sell the house and go long, but we have to have a stop loss very here. So our risk is only this area here. If the price gets rejected, we're going to have to go short and we're going to have the stop loss on top of it. That's what I will be doing. You trade with your own risk and your own assessment, your own charts and your own ideas. But that's me. So it's a wild ride, and I'm going to leave you with the fundamentals. Well, the fundamentals are not great, are not bad. So we do have Trump tariffs and he's causing issues, okay? And we know that. But at the same time, we have the dual mandate of Federal Reserve to stabilize the prices, interest rates, inflation, etc., but also to make sure there are jobs. And the job opening had declined significantly, which allows me to say that Mr. Donald Trump is going to push for rate cuts, and that's going to be happening. I think we're going to have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful March, and I think there's going to be a lot of FOMO if we break higher. If we don't manage to break higher, well, that will be the time to be worried. And we are going to find out together in the next coming weeks.